Coming back after the holiday break is a little nerve-wracking for a lot of people.
Austin ISD will resume classes on Wednesday, January 5th. But with the Omicron variant in full swing and cases increasing daily, Ken Zarefis, president of Education Austin, is worried.
Well, we have thousands of students that are returning to school that weren't there at the end of last semester. We have this new variant that is peaking across the country, and it's impacting kids unlike the other previous two variants were. So there's a lot of nervousness here.
Austin ISD released a newsletter saying the district is prepared for Omicron and ready to start school back up, saying, quote, "What we've been doing works. Austin has just entered stage 4, which is not as bad as when we went back to school after winter break last year, when we were at stage 5, and when we went back to school last August, when we were also at stage 5. The only reason Austin ISD has among the lowest COVID infection rates in the state is because our community supports students and staff wearing masks at school. Masks are still mandated on Austin ISD property, and Superintendent Dr. Stephanie Elizalde encourages everyone to double mask if possible, as well as get tested at one of the district's many testing sites.
I think this is a lesson for us. I think we need to keep in mind, this isn't over.
AISD has added extra ventilation in classrooms as well as cleaning and sanitizing high-touch areas. The district also plans to keep impacted families notified for contact tracing. Zarefis agrees what Austin ISD is doing works, but what happens if the cases continue to go up?
What happens when there is a spike? What is the plan when there is a spike in AISD? How will the district respond to that? How will TEA respond to that? How will we support our families and our children and our workers that test positive if it does become a huge spike in positive?
Amanda Ruiz, Fox 7 Austin News.